everybody, Pam Meyer here with DesignWorks Limited. And today I wanted to give you kind of a bird's eye view of different kind of work that we do. This one happened to be in Colorado Springs, where we traveled to Colorado to work on a project that we've done with these clients once before and kind of knew their taste. And so it was a real pleasure to work with them again in a new environment. So as you can see here, we have all the pin boards and the floor plans. And as I said before, this is to help the movers, to direct them as to where all the things that are coming into the house go. And so we have this all laid out for them so they can see everything at a glance. These next shots are shots of the Colorado Spring house as an empty shell. And you can see there's some definite design elements that were already here. And so we worked around them to emphasize and enhance what was not going to change and just make it as beautiful and as exciting as we could with what we had to work with. So as in many installations, Mother Nature does not always cooperate. And on this particular day, we had hail and rain and lightning and heavy winds and snow, and then in the end, a little bit of sunshine. So besides having to deal with Mother Nature, we also had to get ready for the crazy that comes along with a lot of men bringing in boxes of furniture, and we have to direct them as to where they go. But of course, we first have to find out what's in the box, and then we know where it's going according to our layouts that we did. So it's a lot of directing between myself and my assistant as to where everything goes. It's a very busy day. And when we do installations like this, we're pretty much a jack of all trades. I mean, down to making the beds. Well, first we buy the bed, then we buy the sheets and the bedding, and here we are putting it all together. And ta-da, it's the finished room. So once we get to the location, we kind of assess what it is that is missing in the household. And in this particular case, there was pretty much nothing. So we bought the glasses, the dishes, the dustpans, the soaps, everything that you need in order to make a house a home. And this particular day with the windstorms the way we were, we had grocery carts just piled high with goods and all kinds of things, even Christmas decorations that we surprised them with. And we nearly blew back to California with the carts because the wind was going so crazy that day. But it was fun, and the clients were so pleased that they had everything they needed when they finally got there. You may wonder how we do a job like this. And it's really pretty simple. We have it down to a science. In this particular case, our clients were in San Antonio, we're in California, and the job is in Colorado Springs. So first we look at the layout of the floor plans and we figure out where all the furniture should be. And then we show that to the client, we do some drawings on CAD, and then we send that to the client and they approve it. Once we have that approval, we then find the pieces that go into each room, and we look at the textures, we look at the fabrics, we look at the rugs, we look at all the parts and pieces that go together to make a beautiful design, and we do pin boards for them so they can see the room as a whole. And once we get approval on all that, we order and wait for the beautiful things to come in. And you'll see in this video how fun it is to do the actual installation. So you can see by all that you've watched in this video today that we can do long distance, we can do in town, we can do rentals, whatever it is that needs our help. We have the systems put in place, we know how to do it, and we will come into your home and make it beautiful for you. And we can't wait till the next one comes up.